What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Yeah, this is my house. We're moving. Here's Aliyah. show the baby. Yeah, is she okay?
Yeah, whoops, my hand. My hand
The
covered.
house is packed
The
right
car
now.
is packed right now.
But she started. Guys, we have been driving for more than 2 hours now. Probably we already had we drive more than 200 miles, which is like almost 300 kilometers already. Total mileage is gonna be 1,700 miles. It's equal to 2,700 kilometers. So, which means if I want to drive around 4 or 5 days, so I have to drive at least 500 miles a day or 800 kilometers a day. So I still need to drive at least 4 or 5 hours today. Now is noon, so I can drive till the 6 p.m. today and find a place to stay, maybe a hotel or motel. We don't care. Yeah, I feel amazing. If you ask me how do I feel amazing. It reminds me a lot of whole the trip, especially it reminds me when I am coming here by myself. It's same situation with all car packed with my suitcase, with my clothes, with my shoes, everything. Now exactly same, but there's 2 more people added up, which is my wife and my daughter. It's only 3 years. There's a tremendous change in my life, which is I was praying for all the time. At that point, I feel like I'm so blessed. That's what I was exactly praying for when I was driving to the California 3 years ago. I was thinking, I wish I have a good life. I wish I can change my life in California. Basically, it's happened because after I graduate my master's, I have no job experience. I have only $2,000 cash in my pocket, but I lost 1,000 in casino in Nevada, and then I only arrived in California with $1,000 cash, and I had a long hard time. Around a year I was keep moving in different location. Yeah, in Bay Area I at least rent out at least 5 different places in first year before I met my wife. It is a lot of story, but everything turned good after I got married, and especially after I had a baby. The life is turning good on my personal life, but in the same time, the bad news is keep coming every day, and it gets worse and worse. What happening to my people, to my land, and in last month, September 2020, I got threat twice. First, they threat my parents, and then my father just called me 2 weeks ago, tried to silent me or let me stop making this type of video. I mean, it's just my personal life. It's just my personal life. I never even tried to be a politician or involve anything in politics, but they never leave me alone, leave Uyghurs alone. They're pushing me to speak up like this. Eventually I open my YouTube channel and I speak up the sensitive topic, like what the China don't want to listen, what China don't want to hear. Now, because of the Chinese virus, I cannot leave the biggest state or most popular state in America, which is California. So many people there, and the environment or atmosphere, everything going worse and worse in California. People start moving from California. Me as well. So we just pack everything in. We did a quick decision and we pack everything. We throw out everything we don't need, and here we are now. We just driving to our unknown destiny. Let's see what it's gonna be, but like I said, I don't have any destination specifically. For me, everywhere is same things. My heart, my soul is with my people, with my country, which is East Turkestan. All I want to see is my people stop suffering what they suffer now. All I want to see is my people get freedom again, get their freedom again, live like free life like everyone else in the world. But in the same time, I feel so blessed. I'm lucky enough to escape from my land temporarily, and as a survivor, I got all I prayed from God. I got a stable job. I got a nice family. But I still miss my place a lot. I still miss my place a lot. My parents, my friends, even the air from my land. But what I can do, all I can do is keep fighting for my people, keep fighting against Chinese Communist Party. That's why I'm just trying to move somewhere quieter and somewhere cheaper for me to live in. And yesterday I just quit my job. I want to show you guys some clip about it. Yep, this is my table. Here's my notebook. I don't want to show you guys. This is a company secret. This is my notebook. I need to hand this. Let's see what I got. All this chemical, I made these chemicals right here, but I cannot keep it with me. Here's my hood. Here's my hood. Oh, there's a... Oh no, this is not a reaction. Oh yeah. It's been a long time. Okay, here is my... Yeah guys, that's all. That's all I gotta do. I'll take my stuff. Not too many, just my headphone and my mug, chemistry mug. That's all. My lab, by the way. I gotta miss this spot. Here's my hood too. The company is open, but we cannot work. Company's door is open, but it's not allowed to work, you know. Social distance or COVID stuff. And I got one of my lab coat from this company for just memory. And I got my my chemistry mug back, which is a gift from my graduation of my master. That's all. My company. See you guys. I really feel blessed, and I'm ready for my next destination, next city. And since I'm a Uyghur, we are originally nomadic people, so I just choose keep moving.
And here's UyghurMan. Sup, driving, and Kazim, Balam. More of the nice lake.
Wow, beautiful. I really want to stop by and
swim, yeah. I don't know, that water
Hey guys, this is our first meal for first day. It's a Subway. It's a tuna sandwich. Let's see. Doodle, 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 doodle.
Bam.
Oh yeah. You should bam your golden sneaker. Wow, so shiny, huh? Because America is a country give me the safety to stay, give me the life, second life after I escaped from East Turkestan, from my own land, occupied East Turkestan. So I really appreciate America and I love America, the system here, everything is good and it's a big country. I want to keep exploring different places. Maybe next time in the future I make camping in the natural parking America to show you guys how beautiful this state is. But now I'll just try to cross America to get a different place, different environment, different city. That's all, guys. I really wish everything turned better and better, and I wish I can be stronger and stronger so that I can give a bigger and bigger hit to Chinese Communist Party, China. So that's all I feel so far, guys. Every day I might have a different speech, talk like this. I'll keep going. I will try my best to keep making video every day like this, to show you guys, to update my trip, my life in my new places. That's why I'm holding my phone and driving on the highway and just talking on the camera right now. I'll keep going. And hey guys, we just arrived. We just finished our first day in our trip, and the light awesome today. Awesome, kızım. You're awesome. You didn't even cry a little bit. Yeah, this is we just left California. We're in Arizona right now. It's a kind of hotel. I don't know. It's pretty small and right next to the road. I think I should call it motel. Yeah, I only drive like 6 hours. No, I drive like 7 hours, but 530 miles. See you guys later.